Isoko, wado greetings to you, everybody. No, maybe we are learning about some words in Isoko language that has the same spelling, similar pronunciation, but has different meaning. And my last video, I stopped at number 5. So today, by the grace of God, I'm going to continue from number 6 to number 10. All right. Number 6A. Ukbe, beating. Meti mowe, I will beat you. And that ukbe, it's not today. One ukbe na kill. Obeye, he killed him. Meti mowe, I will kill you. Mesai mowe, no, I can kill you. Wasai me, you can't kill me. That one and one. Then the same word ukbe means beating. Oh no, bonbon man, I will beat my child. What I remember, if you play with me, I will beat you. You understand? Then another word, ukbe, that is 6B, ukbe, yeah. If I be sanevre last 3 years, ukbe, that is 1 year. Egbukbe, a year. Okay, let's move forward. Then number 6C. Abe, October. Abe, October. Then abe, they kill. Like for instance, say people go do fishing, and maybe you are trying to ask them if they kill fish. I wonder, aside to be will you be able to kill fish? And maybe the person will answer yes, they kill fish. Hey, gaga, they kill fish well. You understand? All right. Number 7A. Ukbe. Ukbe means room. See, sitting room, which is parlor, is called otu. So room, bedroom, anything room means ukbe. All right. Then 7B. Ukbe. I think you are understanding the pronunciation. Ukbe. 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 Ukbe is room. Ukbe is lamp. Lamp, that is ukbe. Ukbe, not ukbe. Ukbe is room. Ukbe is lamp. Then number 8A. Ikbe, I think I've explained this before. Ikbe, that is years. Ikbe. Ikbe. Listen to the pronunciation very well. Ikbe. Ikbe. Ikbe is 10. Ovo, ive, esa, ene, iso, ezeza, ile, ene, izi. Ikbe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ikbe. That is 10. Ikbe, years. Then number 8C, we have Ikbe. 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 Ikbe means lights. And Ikbe, they have brought lights. Ikbe na below. Is there light? Or is the light, that light, is it shining? Is it shine low? We below you, they shine on. E below, are they shining? Then number 9, A, Okbo. Okbo means walking stick. Walking stick, that is Okbo. Then number 9B, Okbo. 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 The same spelling, different meaning. They have similar pronunciation. Okbo, it's walking stick. Why? Okbo means namesake. Okbo me, my namesake. My namesake, come. Okbo me, nyazi. Okbo walking stick. Why? Okbo is what? Namesake. Then number 10, where we are going to end our teaching today, to be continued. My next video is Voro. Number 10A, Voro, like fita. Voro, fita. Depends on what you try to talk about. Ni vori gari na go and fita the gari. With vori gari na you don't fita the gari. Number 10B, Voro, that's still Voro. The same. This one said you want strong. Voro, the same pronunciation, the same spelling, but different meaning. Voro means clean. Vora balana, clean the chair. Owaren wekerena, ogba vorieno. That thing you wrote is not correct. Clean it off. Voruzora, clean your head. You understand? Another means, or another word of cleaning is ririe. You understand? Ririe no, clean it off. Vorie no, clean it off. Okay, my people, this is where I'm going to end my teaching here. We are going to continue from where I stopped. If you have not watched from 1 to 5, please go through my video, go to my page on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. You're going to see it. All right, and learn those one perfectly, and this one please repeat as time as you can. So just save it if possible. Just save the video, or you can come here and be watching it, so that you can learn yourself and learn your children. All right, I will come back again to still teach us more. I have them many. So I've done 5, and now I'm done on that 5, so I'll come back again and teach another 5. Please follow for more, like, comment, and share. Let's promote our language, our culture. I remain your friend, your stubborn friend, Oflefle Roomote, Destiny Umukoro, all the way from Erowa Kingdom in Isoko Nation, Delta State, Nigeria, Africa. Isoko to the world. Thank you. God bless you.